So now let's see how we can work with the Pace Curl and Shadow effect inside of Snagit editor. So in order to work with Pace Curl and Shadow, I'm going to go around over here onto the right side where it says Pace Curl. So once I click on it, what happens is that the Pace Curl effect has been applied. So if I were to increase out the size, you can see right here that the pace actually curls out really more. And that's it to it. So you can just select out the curl level right here and click on apply to apply the pace curl in the screenshot. So it actually looks like a pace just like that. Then you have the shadow effect right here. So you add in a shadow right over here. And then what you can do is you can choose out the color of the shadow. So this is similar to all of the other shadows you have been working with. You can take the eyedropper tool and select the color that you want to sample and increase the size of the shadow as well, just like that. And you can also, of course, add this into quick effects. And then you can go around here and choose the direction of the shadow right here, and it'll be applied onto that particular direction, just like that. You can also keep it on the center just like that, so that everywhere else it seems the same. So you can apply that out, and that is how shadows are applied. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.